Flow chart of chapter arithmetic progressions. Okay. Now the first is the definition, then arithmetic mean, general form, common difference, nth term of the series, and find the sum of the series. Okay. This is all about the chapter arithmetic progression. The first part is the definition. What is arithmetic progression? A sequence of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms except the first term. The sequence of the number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Okay, by adding a fixed number, that is known as the common difference to the preceding terms except the first term. Okay, see the example like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is an AP. Okay, the 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, any fixed term by obtaining a fixed term. Suppose 100, 90, 80, 70. This is also an AP. And 5 continue term. This is also AP because the common difference is 0. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0. This is an AP. The general form of the AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and the A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. The D is the common difference. Okay. The common difference is the fixed number in AP which provides the to and fro terms by adding or subtracting from the present term. Can be positive or the negative. In this series, the first term means A, 1, and the common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. The difference between these two terms, A2 minus A1, it means 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Similarly, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 5 minus 4, the common difference is same. It can be positive or the negative. In this term, in this series, 190, in the common difference is 90 minus 100, which is equal to minus 10. Similarly, 80 minus 90 minus 10. The difference of this series is minus 10. Continuously decreasing series, it means the difference is negative. In this, positive. Okay, the first term is known as represented by A. This is the first term and D is the common difference. If the three terms are in AP, suppose A, B and C, then B is the arithmetic mean of A and C. It means A plus C by 2. Same. The difference is the same. These three terms are in the AP. It means the difference is B minus A. Similarly, difference is C minus B. The difference remains the same. In an AP, the difference remains the same. It means B minus A equal to C minus B. Now solve. B minus minus means plus B equal to C plus A. 2B equal to C plus A. It means B equal to A plus C by 2. This is the arithmetic mean. Okay. A plus C by 2. If three terms are in AP, okay, suppose 100, 90, 80. These three terms are in AP. So we can say that 90 and it means B equal to A plus C by 2. 100 plus 80, 180 by 2 is 90. Okay. This is the ABC are in AP, B equal to A plus C by 2. B is the arithmetic mean. Okay. The next is the find the nth term from the beginning and from the end. The formula is nth term from the beginning, an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is the first term, D is the common difference, n is the nth term. The formula is an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Similarly, from the end, an equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. L is the last term, an is the nth term, D is the common difference. Okay, by the formula is L minus n minus 1 into D. Here is an example. The question is, find the 30th term of the AP 10, 7, 4 and so on. If this is an AP, find the 30th term. it means a equal to 10, d equal to 7 minus 10, a2 minus a1, it is equal to minus 3. And the 30th term, it means n equal to 30. In the formula, a30 equal to a plus n minus 1 into d from the beginning. So 10 plus 30 minus 1, n is 30 into minus 3. So 10 plus 29 into minus 3 and solve. 30th term is minus 77 of this series. Okay. And the other part of this chapter, arithmetic means find the sum of the series. Okay. The formula is when first term and the common difference are given, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is the number of terms, a is the first term, d is common difference, n is the total terms. But if the first and last term is given, Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an, it means n by 2 a plus l. A is the first term, l is the last term. Then the formula of sum of the series is n by 2 a plus l. First term, last term and the total terms. Okay, see the example of this. Sum of first n positive numbers. The first positive numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. The a equal to 1, first term is 1 and the last term is n. Now find the sum of n terms. It means n by 2 a plus l. This is the formula. First term and last term is given. N by 2 equal to n plus 1. This is the sum of first n positive numbers. You can find all the questions related to this chapter by the formula of sum and the nth term of the series. Okay. So this is all about the chapter arithmetic progression. Okay. Thank you.